side is...
Hey guys, we're about to go. We're up.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Technical errors as we load. Oh God. Cardboard boat with duct tape.
Also riding the fire
Don't scrape it.
Don't scrape the ball! Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up! Hop in!
Wait, don't get the back in yet until we're all in. Oh God.
Hey! Shiner!
Hey, Shiner!
See the wood! See the wood!
See the wood? See wood or see the wood?
Lift!
Lift! That's a lot of weight, you guys.
Let it roll in! Let it roll in!
Oh, okay, we're live. We're on. Cardboard boat and duct tape. Wait till you see who we're going up against. Wait till you see who we're going against.
Paddle a little bit. Just a little. Paddle a little. We gotta get out of the way. Dad, we gotta get out of the way. There's a big ass boat that's coming behind us.
Go to the side. Wait till you see who we're going against. We're in a cardboard boat with duct tape. That's it. And the wind is crazy.
Right side. In the rhythm. Gotta get the rhythm.
Get ready to roll. On your knees. That's who we're up against. Guys, on your knees. Get on your knees. On your knees. That's what she said. On your knees. What Joey's used to. Oh, they're going to see. These guys, this is great. Look at all these people, Trey.
Right side rhythm. Right side rhythm. Let's go, Vikings!
Let's go, Vikings. Okay, guys, these are all boats made out of duct tape and cardboard. Caitlin, you're doing so good. I love you. You're such a rock star. I'm in the middle. Yes, let's go. Row! Dust! Oh, they're squirting us too. Right!
We need some left.
Stroke!
Need left.
Left! Go harder, guys! Go! Oh, we're killing them. You ready? Eating our dust. Oh, we won this race. Left! Don't hit!
Right side! Break the left!
Left! Go! Trey, go! Right! Left! Oh my God. Oh, where are they? How far are they? Okay, good. We're winning, guys. They haven't even turned the corner. Look. Left. Keep going. Guys, it is freezing out here. It's like 66 degrees.
Here we go.
Hey, Mandy! You guys should have come out today! Woo! Stroke! Left! Oh my God, these little guys are still in the water. wind is crazy.
No left. Yeah, baby.
Salty Dog and SS Smoky
Let's
getting
see how
loaded here at the
they
starting
just
line
rounded the
right
corner, guys.
SS Smoky and Salty Dog.
Just
They're
rounded
getting
the
loaded
corner.
right now. We have
Oh my God, it is
more
so
boaters.
windy. You have no idea. And how hard it is to stand on this
You
boat
guys, wait.
balancing.
Ready? Hang on, we're getting ready.
Oh
Wait,
my
horn,
God,
four
it's
boaters.
been a
Wait
great
for the
day.
horn and then you're good to go. Wait for the horn.
Where's the drone?
And they're off. Smoky and Salty Dog. This is Smoky and Salty Dog.
Let's go back and get
Making
them.
their way out of the chute,
Oh,
out of the starting line.
line.
And they are, again, kind of drifting
That's
to
pushed them the
there.
whole way. These guys are just
Let's go,
unloading.
Big
Update on
Flash!
Big Flash. About 25 yards from the line now.
I can't believe it. Look at this guy, still in the water. The little girl.
These people have been here for years. You might remember them. They were the Beverly Hillbillies one year. Before they had band along with the river.
Oh my God, so much fun. Oh God. I don't know what we're gonna do with this boat. Oh my God. They missed the finish line. They wouldn't have made it because their boat's too tall to fit through there. So fun.
It's like Salty Dog when you get a little bit tired.
And Pink Flash. She falls in the water.
Miller, go get her.
Looks like Pop is there. She is not happy, Pop. Pop swam all the way. Big hand. Pink Flash.
You go,
Smoky is
girl!
taking the lead in the first turn. They took that inside lane and they took over.
It
The
has been a
Salty
rough
Dog.
time to end the
Salty
video.
Dog is really kind of slowing right down.
Whoa.
All right, Radar, back at the start finish
It's like
line.
being on one of those barrels.
And Wonderboats, they're loading now. We got three boaters
What are we doing?
in the one
All
and
right,
three.
I'm gonna
two
kneel.
in the
Sorry.
other.
I gotta kneel. I can't stand
Let's go
anymore.
grab them.
This is our next heat. As soon as the horn blows, then we get to go. They're still loading. Here at the starting line, they're getting the boaters in the water.
They have got to be
They're trying to balance
freezing.
themselves now. All right.
If you guys aren't
Wait,
aware,
he's
it's
trying
like
to get settled. He's
66,
still not
65 degrees.
Hey, go pick them
Cruise,
up.
Cruise, and Wonderboat. Cruise, Wonderboat. Here's the horn, and they're off. Cruise, and Wonderboat.
Quite a crew, too. Maddie, there's Mommy.
Wonderboat is taking on water. Wonderboat with 3 in.
Oh my God.
They are struggling to get out of the chute.
Is that a road cone? It is a road cone.
One.
Tell you what, guys, this boat is built to last. All that work for literally like 2 minutes on the water. Well, no, a little more. I don't know if we're gonna go to the tiki bar in this or what. It's a little windy for that. They might not do it today.
Right side.
And Wonderboat is down.
Let's go check out all the other boats.
Wonderboat is
gotta
down.
go back?
Wonderboat is down.
I don't know if you can hear, but they're telling us another boat is down.
He's definitely going
That means they're in the water.
Cruise. They're cruising over to the right.
Hey, who wants to race us back?
Bumper boats! Get them!
Raven speed!
Are we rowing or
I have no idea what we're doing. We're gonna smash into this guy's boat though if we don't do something. We're like right here.
You guys, that's a real boat. That's a real boat.
There's a real prop.
Stand up. Sorry.
All right, let's go around. Let's beat them again.
Oh my God.
We gotta beat them back.
If you're just joining, we're in a cardboard boat made out of complete cardboard and duct tape, nothing else. And these guys go all out every year. One year they were the Beverly Hillbillies. One year they were the Flintstones. Those are some cool peeps. And then the boat owners all on their boats squirting us. It is freaking cold. Liquidy ship! Oh God, what are they doing? They can't, guys, the wind is crazy. Oh God. What are we doing? Matt, we are in the way! Oh God. We have like 20 people on our boat. Like I said, it's cardboard and duct tape. That's it. That's all this boat is made out of. I'll turn around and see. All the way to the back here. You guys!
Left side.
Oh my God, where are you guys going? Oh man. We're gonna go dock this boat, I think. I don't know what we're doing.
Crossing the finish line.
Woo!
Left so hard.
Left!
Damn it, Whitney, we're tired.
Left, harder, Adam, harder.
Reverse
Harder! That's what she said. We're gonna crash it. Oh, there's the drone. See the drone? It's videoing us somewhere up there. There it is. Somewhere, I don't know. Somewhere.
On the way there.
How come the wind stopped blowing all of a sudden? Now we're good. Oh, God. Look at these guys. Already, I'll zoom. There you go. I don't know how they haven't sunk yet. It is so much fun, Peggy Sue. You have no idea. Oh, we are so mean. Stop! We're at Watkins Glen. They have a Harbor Fest this weekend. Usually it's hot, very, very hot. Today it's like 66 degrees, very, very windy, and still fun. But it would have been nice if the weather was a little nicer. So much fun though. Oh, look at this guy. Look at this wise guy. Normally, every boat, like all of these boats, every person is loaded with a water pistol, and they just drench us. But it's so cold today. Oh my God, he just got me. It's so cold today that they were thankfully not so mean to us with the cold water. Check it out. These are all boats made out of cardboard and duct tape. That's it. You're allowed paint, but the actual construction of the boats are cardboard and duct tape.
On us.
That's fine.
Yeah, they're getting us.
Over there, it's way worse. Oh yeah, look at this.
Yeah, bad.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, there's a marine. There's a bar right there. We don't need to go across the lake.
Oh
Sailboating!
Look at this wave!
Anyone else?
You hear that? He said your hand. Miller said your hand.
I mean, look at these waves. This tells you how, like, this is how windy it is. This is how windy.
I'm just a ham.
Yeah, we usually go up to this dock.
There we go. Everybody, stay forward. Final stretch. Don't worry, guys. I'll keep rowing. Everybody.
Like that bar is typically like people outside, inside. It's packed usually, but this weather is has not been the best for this event. Yeah! Horsey sauce. All right, once we're up, for those of you that didn't catch the live earlier, I'll give you a full shot of the boat. It's like 21 feet long, I think.
And I got to the airport, I was like, oh, fuck. Now I got and then it's like, yeah, now I'm in the water. What's up, phone, rolling,
What is this?
We did good.
Oh my god! I think we won first place. I think we definitely had the fastest time. So those of you with this, hold on. I'll show you the whole boat once I get off here in a sec.
Up and out the front, Maddie.
Letting the kids off. It's my niece. I'm the only one that didn't have to row. Here's Kurt.
Everybody off. Everybody off.
Kurt's had a little fun today. You can't function, Kurt? What's the matter?
I'm very drunk.
Wait, hold on.
I'm very
Hold
drunk.
on. Let's
I
get
feel
Kurt.
like
Hold on.
exerting one's
What's the matter?
muscles.
What's the matter, Kurt?
I think when you exert your muscles,
Yeah.
if you're any kind of drunk, it gets more drunk.
You get more drunk when
Yeah.
you're in your exert.
Hey, reselling crew.
All right, let me get off this boat. Oh my god, it's so windy. And let me turn it around and I will show you. I don't know if I can get off this boat. Hold on.
Miller, you trying to get this up on here?
I think we just park it. All right, let me give you a shot of the boat for you those still hanging on. I got you.
Kurt, get out of the boat!
Jesus.
Come on, Kurt! And then you got these guys here who like always cosplay whatever they build. Like I said, sometimes he is done. Kurt is see that little tube? That's where look how much drinks he hid in that. 'Cause you're not allowed him on the boat while you row. Yeah, he hides them. And these guys are great every year. But yeah, it's a boat, 21 feet I think it was. It's really freaking heavy, I'll tell you that much. Even though it's cardboard and duct tape, it's heavy. Oh, he's hammered. Let's just follow Kurt for a minute. This is fun. Ready? He is going to kill me. Lost a shoe. Him and my brother were the main boat builders. Yeah, what an experience. And then that's my bro back there, him and Kurt. This is my brother's like 12th year. He's been 13th year, but he's been captain for 12. Only 1 year he didn't do it when my niece was born, and the last 2 years because of COVID. But other than that, we do this every year, and it's fun. This is actually only my second year that I've been coming. I don't know why I didn't come other years, but I did it once and that was it. I'm hooked. I'm here every year. Take off this life jacket. Yeah, it's definitely a good time. Life jackets no longer needed, so it's gonna go bye-bye.
Bone dry.
Kurt! See, duct tape and cardboard if you don't believe me.
Yeah, not a single ounce of water.
Look at that. Let's do it again. Dry under underneath.
Let's go jump in that last heat again.
Whoa!
What are you looking for?
Go check out my my prior videos. I duetted my brother. It was like a 5-day build. If you want to kind of see how they did it, and I'm going to take a time lapse of all of the days and put it in one video. So if anyone wants to see it from start to finish, like sped up, you know, like time lapsed, I'll have that available probably the next day or so. But yeah, it's normally we race over to, there's a bar, it's called the Tiki Bar. It's like way on yonder, way behind that, around that rock. And whoever gets there first, like the boats all race to that, gets like a $50 bar tab. But if you can see, I mean, look how windy, like it is just, there's just no way. We are not. So that's why they're like tearing the boat apart, because we aren't going to use it again. We're done. And then they have dumpsters here for us recycling, and we put everything in there. And but yeah, legit duct tape and cardboard. Fun times. Fun times. And thank God we didn't fall in or get wet. It's crazy. Woohoo! Good job, guys. Okay, time to go get another Guinness. Yeah, it is amazing. It's fun. And there's 30 boats this year. And I don't know what typically there is, but I feel like there is a little less than normal because, you know, COVID and everyone just, you know, coming off of that. And oh, look at my brother. He's gonna take cardboard for next year. Look. Are you taking that for next year, Matt? He's like, they're so good. He's taking the cardboard for next year. Oh my God, look at him. I can't. I just can't. I can't. We are not related. But you are. There we go. You know what? I'm going to go over and I'm going to film. Is there any boats still racing? I can get them going off. Show everyone some that are still going here. I feel like they've all
what it is.
would have launched by now. Wait, these guys didn't go?
We were like midway. We were midway.
No, these guys. No, did these guys even race? They didn't even race. Oh, they did. Oh, they did.
Finally made it to the first.
No, these guys didn't go yet.
Oh, these guys gotta go. Okay, yeah. So there are still people racing. I'm gonna go film so people can see like what it looks like as a spectator, not in the boat. Because that was. Actually, let me get my beer, my Guinness, and then I'm gonna go over and video. Because I'd be thirsty. Listen, it's a lot of work videoing.
That's $18 net, not gross. Or whatever.
I just can't with you, Kurt. Oh my God. He's making fun of me because I always say, hey, reselling crew. Or I'll say like, hey, DIY crew, or hey, crew. And so he's just making fun of me. All right, I'm going to go show you. Maddie, you want to go watch? Oh, you're cold. Look at you. Did you have fun? It was fun? Good. How was it to not ride this year?
Great.
Great?
Oh my God.
Mason! What's he doing?
She found her bag.
Wow.
Oh, that's her own bag.
Blue lips.
She ate a lot.
All right, we're gonna go. I'm gonna go show you the other boats, guys. Hold on.
Super race
A lot
right
of
now.
dogs here, too.
They have
A lot-
a history
very
of
dog
having
friendly.
some pretty fantastic boats in this
So
race.
this boat still gotta
Looks
go.
like it's the next generation. I see Doug
This
Hazlett's
boat's still
son
gotta
Patrick's
go.
on the boat.
Let's see if I can get a good view for you guys.
They're making their way to the first turn without a problem.
This is the launch pad. This is where we launched from. And let's see if I can get a good shot.
The Radiant Raft is making their way up the front stretch. They're about halfway down the front stretch.
No, this is Watkins Glen. Kurt is your spirit animal. He's a good guy. No, he is good people. Any Raiders fans? I don't know who's riding in this. It looks like a single guy. But basically, you launch here and you go around this bend like a big U, and you cross that finish line. But yeah, this is Watkins Glen. This is I think Harborfest, and they'll have bands tonight. And there's like the one side contained boats in the parking lot, all the boats. The other side contains like all the vendors. And there's bars here. Usually this place is so packed typically, but it is so freaking cold. Oh, this guy's done. He has no idea. The wind is crazy. He's gonna sink. I know it. He's gonna sink. If you're just joining, all of these boats are cardboard and duct tape, period. You can paint them, you can use colored duct tape, but basically paint, like he's got flags, you can add flags, but the actual construction, the engineering of it is duct tape and cardboard, period, that's it. Oh, God. It's going to be a long haul for him. Okay, here comes another boat. Here comes the castle boat.
Go, Stacy!
I hope that tower stays up in the wind.
More guys in character. These guys are all in character too. I love the character people. Now the thing is, you gotta remember, these are cardboard and duct tape, so they're setting it down, but you can't push that because it will scrape and you'll put a hole in your boat. So you gotta like literally lift it and place it in the water. That's why our boat was so hard, because it's so heavy. I can't even explain to you how heavy the boat is. They got like a little buoy thing they're towing behind it, a little house or something, a little soul house. I'll bet you this is marketing. I bet you they're promoting a company. Alright, let's see these. So you see how they're going to lift it and then they're going to actually carry it and place it in the water. But this is good times, guys. I wish it was warmer out, because it really has hindered the experience, but it's still fun. I tried to make it to the finish line, but there's a lot of people between me and that. Okay, so you see they're going to lift, so they can't drag it. Yeah, I'm thinking a real estate company or something. Yeah, you know, actually, cabins to castles.com, I think is the name. I'm looking at the banner. I'm trying to read that banner.
All right, guys, at the starting line right now. Rapunzel.
Oh, God, it's so funny.
Castle tour at the back end of Castle Real Estate.
Cabins to Castle Real Estate, yep. They aren't dumb.
We got 6 voters for Rapunzel.
I think we spent like $300 in duct tape. Then with the leftover money, we bought a couple extra oars, and we had $75 left over, and we bought like just food or whatnot with it. All of that money was from the last few years of bottle returns from the Kickball League of Rochester that my brother runs. So yeah, he had about $500 in bottle returns, and then they just buy all the duct tape, and cardboard is free for people that just give it to us to recycle. The sun's actually coming out. They're actually not going too slow, but see how the wind is like, it's hard, guys. Oh, that house is going to sink. The little guy's going to sink, I think. Let's see who's next. I think we got that car, or that, not that car, the Jeep. I think it's a Jeep. But I'm going to put my camera up high so you guys can kind of get an aerial view. Kind of. But it is quite gorgeous here. Oh, here! Oh, this one's funny. So these ones got this is by a health system. Their boat name is called Bottoms Up, and they have like bedpans all lining the front of the boat. You see these kids look. They're all plugging their nose. They're all plugging their nose, saying it's poo-poo. It's funny. This boat, I guarantee you, this boat's gonna sink. You need to stay around just to watch this boat sink. That boat's sinking. Who wants to place bets? Yeah, probably will blow them down. Oh, it's still up though. Look, I'll zoom. It's still up. They just turned the corner. This one's, let me think. I say within with less than 30 seconds. Less than 30 seconds, it stinks. I get it has to stink in 30 seconds. That thing, like, the tape is already, like, coming off. Like, it looks like they've reused it 3 times. Oh, they're already, like, the sides are caving in. You can't see the one side because of the people. Oh my God, I'm dying. And those are bigger guys too. They're gonna sink by the time. There's no way. How is that thing still afloat? Okay, here comes the Jeep. Jeep's up next. Come right behind me. I think it's the last one. Jeep's the last one. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head over to the finish line. Oh no, there's one more after the Jeep. And then I'll head over to the finish line.
What number boat? 14.
To give good coverage of people coming in. See, because that's where you'll see who sunk or who's actually made it around the whole race.
Hey! Can you guys squeeze in right here? Can you guys love you, buddy.
They're gonna try to launch the last 2 at the same time.
Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry.
And remember, they can't drag it. They have to carry it like that. That's bad. He's gonna put a hole in his boat.
Get your seat ready.
This is Watkins Glen. It's Harbor Fest, and every year part of Harbor Fest they do the cardboard boat races. If there's any in your area, just go and watch. It's so much fun. It's a good time. Family friendly, like, you know, it's fun. Yep, these are definitely the last 2. And then once they launch, I'll sneak around to the, like I said, the finish line, and we'll see. This is New York, Watkins Glen, New York. Watkins Glen, they also do the car racing. Car racing, I think. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Watkins Glen. They're known for the car races. What Amazon?
No, I love you.
Amazon, what state is this? I'm sorry, that's making me laugh so hard. Cheers to that comment. That's hysterical.
And the surprise, they're getting rid of the load right now.
There's the sun, or there's the start. You can't see, but they're. Let me zoom. This is great. Oh God. This is great.
Alright, Brianna, give them hell!
They're like neck and neck. They're like bumping into each other the whole way so far. So funny. I'm gonna see if I can make my way to the finish line. There's like a lot of people though, so yeah, this will be interesting. Let me try to make my way through. We got cosplay people.
The guy with the spider.
Right between you here. Excuse me. Sorry. All right, finish line's over here somewhere. Let's see. Let's get to the finish line and see who's actually made it or in the water. Because a lot of times they'll sink halfway through and then they gotta like swim to the end. Well, I wish I was in California because it's like 65 degrees here today. It is freezing.
5, the Waterfront Festival
All right, making
continues
our way to the finish
till like
line.
the early evening hours.
So yeah, they start way back there and they do like a big giant U all the way up down
All
to
those
here.
at the starting line, congratulations and thank you for coming out. Appreciate y'all very much for coming out
Finish line
for the return
is-
of the Cardboard Boat Regatta after a couple of year
Over here.
hiatus.
Oh my God, it's way over here. I should actually get down there, but I'll switch down there in a sec. Hold on, guys. We're making it to the finish line. Let's see who's in the water. Let's see who's made it and who's sunk. A lot of dogs here. It's really cool. All right. There we go. Making our way over. There we go. Oh my God, you have no idea. It is so windy.
I've got Quest for Fun making it in their way into the front. The first turn followed closely behind the Surprise.
There's so many people that are just lit, hammered. All right, here we are. We're getting to the finish line. Oh, is this the castle people that we saw? They made it. I don't know how close I can get. Hold on, I gotta get a good. Oh, they're loading their boat out. Gosh, crazy.
That's how it works.
Oh my God, look at this. They made it, they didn't sing. All right. I'm going to show you the finish line from this angle. These guys are just coming out.
Oh, that's windy.
Let me come over here. So here's where you can come out, not where we did. We went all the way back around. Our boat would never come out here. And then the finish line is like right over there. We have to go through that.
Mom!
But I want to be like over there to see. I'm gonna move, so hold on. I'm gonna go around and try to get a better view.
I'm trying to get that way.
We'll get up higher and you guys can see, and then I'll probably be done for the day. Oh, there's bathrooms over here. Yes. Okay. A lot of vendors too. A lot of cute vendors. But let me get to where. So this will probably be good. I can just zoom in. I don't see any of those other boats that, if anyone's still here, that launched. We haven't even made it this far. That tells me they probably sunk because they should have cleared by now. I gotta know if those 3 guys in that one boat, I need to know if they sunk. I'm surprised they made it as far as they did. I don't see a clue of any of them. Where are they? Guy's blocking me. I need to. I'm gonna scoot down and around here.
Quest for Fun is making its way to the final turn. Might be sure you see them coming up.
Okay,
on
so
that
they're
turn
coming around the bend.
shortly.
Someone's
The
coming
Surprise
around.
is not too far behind them, but they're still on the backstretch, making their way towards you.
I'm gonna get closer here. All right, hold on. Well, here's a good spot. I got a good one. Here we go. Right at the finish line. Do you see how windy this is, guys? Oh my God, it's crazy. Oh my God, you have no idea. There's the finish line, and some should be coming around the corner. They just announced it, so we'll see. The goal is to not sink your boat. I mean, it's like a race. I mean, it's a fun race, but we take it, I don't say we take it serious, but we want to win. So we make our boats really sturdy and big and whatnot, but I mean, I'm sure, listen, there's 2 boats here completely covered in beer, like logos and stickers, and these guys had like fanny packs that held like beer, like cans of beer, so they were walking around with like 6 cans of beer. Some of this is just, I mean, it's fun for everybody. But okay, here comes a boat. Oh, they look like they're sinking. Oh no, it's the Jeep. They are like half. Okay, wait. You guys got to see this. Hold on. But oh, it is freezing today. It is like 66 degrees. These guys are half in the water. You see them? But normally it's like hot as heck.
We have 2 final boats coming down the final stretch.
Oh yeah, these are the last 2 boats. It's usually so
Quest
hot.
for Fun
Like
and Surprise Boat.
you have like sweat
Quest
dripping
for
down your
Fun
back.
and Trimaran.
Today's cold.
Use that term loosely.
I know. I don't see the 3 guys. Oh, is it them? No.
About 50 yards
They
in
must
front
have
right
sunk
now.
because they
It's
were
got
after.
very choppy here at the start-finish line.
They were after the castle and before these guys, so they must have sunk or are just haven't even. But I thought they announced that these are the last 2 boats. They must have sunk because they haven't come in. Yeah, they must have sunk.
This is literally the last.
These guys are like, oh my god, this is funny. Let me zoom in again.
Front, and it's not doing great.
That Jeep is on his last leg.
Better late than never.
See, I think it's more fun to watch them in the beginning because, like, there were boats that people got in, like 2-seaters, and they.
Quest for Fun about 50 feet from the start-finish line, or from the finish line.
And they would
Quest for
sink
Fun's
within like
Wrangler looks a
seconds
little
of
out
getting
of
in the
shape
water.
right now, but still floating.
If you're at the finish line,
Surprise ship.
you can't see. You
No
don't
surprise.
see all that fun stuff because they've already sunk.
Quest for Fun. The other one's a surprise. Yeah.
Come on, guys. There more. Let's have a big hand for all the participants today. Took a lot of courage.
It's cold.
And maybe some warm cocoa or a hot toddy after this.
Yeah, hot toddy is right. I don't know if you guys can hear announcer. I'm assuming you can. Yeah, the cardboard boat. Watkins
Almost
Glen,
there.
Seneca Lake. You see? That's it. I think
The
that's.
surprise.
Yeah, those 3 guys.
Crosses the finish
They
line.
sank. They sank.
The last boat to do so.
Yeah, they just announced the last
Surprise.
boat. That is so fun.
Quest for Fun. Quest for Fun. Quest for
Look, they're half in the water. Can you see? Like paddling in the water.
Oh, they gotta go.
That's great.
Yay! You did it! You did it!
Look at that. Push them in! Push them in!
I think they need a tow.
I know, right?
Surprise!
Yeah, you have the choppiness was insane. Like the first boats that went out, people couldn't even
Was it
like
as hard as it looked?
they could barely even like get around that first spot. It was absolutely insane. So fun. Alright, I'm gonna make my way back to my crew and see what's going on there. But sorry, my hair is so windblown. It is like absolutely crazy. But
So that may
thanks
be a
for
wrap
joining. This was so much fun.
2022
I wish it was warmer. Oh my god, my hair is windblown. Like I said, these guys are like literally in the water. It was fun. Thanks for joining. I hope you had a good time. And I'll post some clips of the best of while we were on the boat later, stuff in the next couple days. So, all right, thanks guys. You're welcome.
Hey, Angie.